Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to start our next unit number 12, The King Keeps His Appointment. Before moving towards the story, let's have a look on words to know. The first word is coronation, the ceremony in which a ruler is crowned. Hot in spirit, angry. Imposter, a person who pretends to be someone else in order to trick others. Languid, weak or faint from illness or tiredness. Rose, to wake someone up. Schemer, a person who makes secret plans. Again listen this, a person who makes secret plans. Smell a rat, to suspect deception. Sneering, smiling, laughing, that shows feeling of dislike. The last one is that, a sound made to express disapproval. Now let's move towards the story, and this extract has been taken from a novel, The Prisoner of Zenda. This novel has been written by an English novelist and playwright of 20th century. His name is Anthony Hope. This extract is the unit number 4 of that novel, The Prisoner of Zenda. The narrator is 29 years old young man Rudolph. His complete name is Rudolph Rezendahl. When the story starts, Rudolph was asleep and Colonel Sapt awakes him by throwing a bucket of water on him. Fritz is another character who was sitting there. Fritz shows him King lying on the floor. They have also thrown water on the king to awake him, but it's of no use. They say that we have spent half an hour trying to awake the king. They want to call a doctor, but there is none within 10 miles. The Sapt says, as it is the day of coronation, he says that if he is not crowned today, I guarantee he is never crowned. He says the whole nation's there to see a coronation, so Black Michael will be ready to step in. We can't send word to say that the king's asleep. They suspect maybe the king has been given poison by the Black Michael because he wants to become the king of the country. But they don't want Black Michael to be the king of the country. They say he is not perfect. This is saying Sapt, but he is rightful here, and I made a promise to his father. I will never forgive myself if I allow Black Michael to sit in his place. He says to Rodolph that fate sent you here, fate sent you now to the coronation in Strelsa. He asks Rodolph to wear the dress of king and do the ceremony of coronation because he resembles the king a lot. They plan to hit the king and send Rodolph in place of king for the coronation to save the country from evil hands. Now read the story till last and see what happens at the end. Now done words meanings, read the story. We will meet tomorrow with reference to context question answers. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.